Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this ProtoArc multi-device connection mouse here. Features wireless connectability. All right, in the bag we have the mouse here. Well, it's fairly ergonomic right there, fits right in your hand. It's got the ball right here so we don't have to move our mouse around, so that's kind of cool. Definitely nice for like desk space. If you don't have a lot of desk space, instead of moving your mouse around on a mouse pad, you can just move this around. So that's pretty cool. And then it has our little clickers that don't make any sound. Okay, I guess this doesn't really need to move around. This is a battery thing down here, or no? This is has our little USB plug-in thing there. We're just going to plug that into our computer and they're going to run our mouse off of that, so that's cool. And then we have on and off. This charges right here. It's got a charging port right there on the side, and then we have a bunch of different buttons including a scroller, on, off, and different things. Let's see if where the power button is right here. Okay, wonder what that indicates. Okay, so we have a charging cord and also a user's manual. I'm sure this is just plug and play. Wireless connection, just 2.4 USB is connected. When the power is insufficient, charging it here in the corresponding channel. All right, so I'm just going to plug it in and set it up here real quick and run it and show you guys how it works. Okay, my friends, well, I just plugged it in right here in my mouse pad, and instant connection as soon as I turn it on, so that's cool. This fits like perfectly in my hand. Look at that. It's just like you just rest your hand there, and then you can just use the mouse ball to move the cursor around on there wherever you want. So this is nice and smooth on there, actually, wherever I'm moving it. And then if I want to change how fast it goes, I can click this button. Also, this scroller works just fine if I want to scroll up and down like that. Super handy and really cool, actually. I could get used to this. It doesn't move around. You just let it sit there on your thing, so you don't need a whole bunch of room over here. Like if this had a small space, boom, you just put your hand right there. You don't need to move your mouse all over the place. It's actually pretty cool. This could get a little bit of getting used to, because of just if you're used to moving your mouse around. I find myself wanting to try to move this while I'm using this on the screen here. But it is actually really smooth, and it's pretty cool. I might actually be just switching over to this because I don't have a lot of room here on my mouse pad. Like I said, it might take a little bit of getting used to. I have that cord there also that I can just plug in if I need to. If it's running low on power, I can just plug in my cord to this mouse too. Since you're not moving it, a mouse that isn't plugged in isn't that big of a deal, because it's just the cord's right there out of your way and everything. So one thing about this also is the clicking. It's like completely silent. So if you click on wherever, it's not going to make a lot of noise. So it's a silent mouse as well, which is pretty cool. It fits like really perfect in my hand, and you just kind of rest your hand on there. You can just do everything right there. All the buttons are easily accessible. So it's a pretty sweet mouse, my friends. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time.